a stack of business cards from an event, a printed member list, a name in an email. You've got the contacts, just not in a spreadsheet. You don't need one. A vCard is just a tiny text file, one per person. Nothing about it requires a spreadsheet. A converter needs rows and columns to work from. But if you don't have those, building a sheet first is just extra work. So start with one question: where do they live now? Already in a CSV or Excel sheet? Use a converter. Saved in your phone, Google or eCloud. Just export them. In hand, on cards, paper, or an email. Then you want a generator. A form-based generator is built for exactly this. The Univik versus CF generator runs on Windows, fully offline. Type each contact's name, phone, and email. Add a photo, a title, even a QR code if you want. Then export, one file, or one per contact. No CSV, no column mapping. This is where the spreadsheet route fails worst. 40 cards from a conference. Work through the stack, type each one in. You finish with a single .vcf for your whole team. A printed directory works the same way. Loose details in, clean contact file out. Just one contact. You don't need any tool. A vCard is plain text. Type it in Notepad. Save it with a .vcf extension. Done. But past a few, this gets slow and fragile. One stray semicolon breaks the whole file. However you build it, save it as vCard 3.0. It opens cleanly on iPhone, Android, and Outlook. 2.1 is for old devices. 4.0 isn't universal yet. 3.0 just works everywhere. Don't make work you don't need. Contacts in hand. Type them once, get your file. That's the whole trick. Follow Univik. Where technology meets trust.